Every screening in VeriSanction starts in the same place, the new screening view. Click New Screening in the sidebar, or just press Ctrl+N from anywhere in the app. 3 fields are required: first name, last name, and date of birth, all in the personal information section at the top. Everything else is optional, including the country and nationality fields in the location information section below, but every optional field you fill in makes the match more precise. Date of birth deserves a special note. A match on name plus date of birth carries a dramatically stronger signal than a name match alone. If you're going to remember one thing from this video, remember this: providing date of birth is the single biggest false positive reducer in your toolkit. Now let's screen a hypothetical individual. In the personal information section, enter Viktor Kozlov, born April 12th, 1974. Scroll to location information and set country of residence to Russia. Now both of the formats work for date of birth. VeriSanction handles either. Below the personal info section is the additional identifiers panel, collapsed by default. Expand it whenever you have a passport number or national ID number for the individual. Now, those unique identifiers help resolve close name matches and document your due diligence. Address fields are optional, but if your firm uses them, they feed into adverse media and jurisdiction-based signals downstream. Now, pay attention to this section. The 4 list checkboxes you see are read-only. They're already checked, they're green, and you can't uncheck them. Now that's intentional. Your list selection lives with your data provider. When VeriSanction data is active, you'll see the label "All major global sanctions lists are searched automatically," along with this preview of the major lists. The full 10 collection scope is configured in settings. When Plaid is active, you'll see a different label referencing your Plaid monitoring program. Either way, the list set is captured with every screening for audit purposes. If you could change the list set on a per screening basis inside this form, you'd break your own data lineage. So we don't let you do that by design. Right below, that is one of the most underused checkboxes in the app: add to ongoing monitoring queue after screening. Tick it anytime you're screening a customer who's being onboarded. The system will automatically rescreen them on your configured interval, usually every 10 months for standard risk, every 3 months for high risk. Now, if you're screening a one-off prospect, leave it unchecked. It's a one-time check, not an ongoing customer relationship. The best case scenario, green check mark. The dialog title reads "Screening complete clear." The message confirms no matches were found, and the individual is cleared of all configured lists. Click OK, and the form auto clears so you're ready to screen the next person. Now this is the case that earns your salary. The dialog tells you a potential match was found and asks you to review it in the adjudication queue. There's just one OK button, and clicking it takes you straight to adjudication. No extra click needed. The system isn't telling you Viktor Kozlov is sanctioned. It's telling you that there's a potential match against a record on the Office of Foreign Assets Control, specially designated nationals list, OFAC SDN, that needs a human decision. That's adjudication, and Module 5 is dedicated entirely to doing it right. The batch screening is the same workflow multiplied. Drop in a CSV with the columns you see on screen. Each row is parsed, validated, and shown in the preview table before anything runs. Hit Screen All, and they run sequentially. Now pay attention to the per row status. A clear is a green check, a match is a warning that flows to adjudication, a row that erred, like the one with a missing required field, gets a red X, but it doesn't poison the rest of the batch. The other rows keep going. Now, this isn't a bulk operation in the sneaky sense. Each row is one separately billed, separately audited screening, and that's deliberate. If an examiner pulls one customer from a 50-person batch 6 months from now, every one of those records stands on its own. Now, quick reminder, if no data provider is configured, every screening will fail with this dialog. Modules 2 and 7 cover provider setup.